Welcome to the Crypto Wave, everybody. This is Joey V. Today I would like to show you a private trading view indicator that I've been developing. This is the website. It's called Market Killer Club and it is a place for talented traders and analysts. We are getting a community started on Discord. Market Killer Suite is a fine set tuned of indicators for Bitcoin that are useful in medium to short term and medium to long term, as you can see here. It's a package of 3 indicators. Market Killer A, where you can analyze the dominating trend and identify taking profit zones, stop loss zones, and big buying and big selling opportunities. Market Killer B, which is a trend oscillator and is complementary to Market Killer A, and it's useful in medium to short term trends. And Market Killer C, which is a position size and risk calculator. With that being said, let's dive into TradingView and I'll show you how you set up Market Killer A, B and C and how to use them. So here we have the Bitcoin chart from October 2017 almost into today. Let's add the indicators into the chart. Once you have access to the indicators, you would go here to the indicators window, you would select invite only scripts and you would choose Market Killer A, Market Killer B and Market Killer C. For now, let's start with Market Killer A and then we'll move on into Market Killer B and Market Killer C. As you can see, I have here one that is called Market Killer A Other Markets and Market Killer B Other Markets. This is a version that we are testing out and fine-tuning for altcoin markets, which we are still not rolling it out. For now, we are only granting access to the Market Killer for Bitcoin. And once we have the altcoin markets fine-tuned, we will roll it out and we'll give you access to it. So let's add Market Killer A. As you can see, Market Killer A, it has identified every bear trend and bull trend since 2017 until today. Market Killer A works with a set of conditions to trigger bear trend signs and bull trend signs. It also shows you big buying opportunities. As you can see right here, we had a big buying opportunity at the last bear market. It also tells you the market cycle bottom and the market cycle top. And since 2017, we had a bear trend, then we had fake bull trend, which usually happens in bear markets, that was promptly reversed to a bear trend. Let's analyze how it developed since we had our cycle top and since we had our all-time high. We had our bull trend starting before the halving. This red band right here represents the halving. Here we had a bear trend just 2 to 4 days before the COVID crash. It posted a bear trend. So digging deeper into the price action from March last year until today, we can see that Market Killer behaved perfectly, posting market cycle tops before, just at the top, posting a bear trend when it started, when it confirmed that it started. We had a big buying opportunity here. This was on August, summer of last year, where we had our last rally until the new all-time high. It also posted a bull trend that lasted until the all-time high was reached. When it started going down, it posted a bear trend, and this was the signaling of the bear market, the starting of the bear market. Since then, we are in a bear market environment. As you can see here, we have a false bull trend, but this don't happen too much. On the bear market that started in 2018, we also had a false bull trend posting out here, but this is because sometimes markets just move too fast and they mess up the indicators. But this was just an exception, and then all of the signals from that were spot on, posting bear trends and bull trends when the market reversed. So how does this work? When we are on the bull trend, we are green. And here we have on the darker green our short band of action. This is for short-term to medium-term traders that act as support, and when it's in a bear trend it acts as resistance. Then we also have our take profit zone, which is these red dots. These are the take profit zones for the bull trend, and for the bear trends the take profit turn green, and here they are below the candles. And between the short band of action and these blue dots, this is what we call the danger zone. So price can dip here. If it goes up again, it will maintain the trend. If it starts dipping and dipping, it will switch the trend right here from bull to bear, and right here from bear to bull, which was the false bull, and then it switched back into bear. So right now we are almost flipping into bullish again. Apart from that, here at orange we have the 4-hour 50 EMA, which acts as short-term support or resistance. Below the orange EMA we have at blue the daily 200 EMA, which act as strong support or strong resistance, as you can see here in the chart, acting as resistance, and here acting as support. And here at red and at green we have the price ceiling and the price floor. Usually in bear markets, when we dip below the price floor, it forms a great opportunity for buying. Right here we have this little violet background. That's when we dip below the floor price level. And when we are too much extended above the price ceiling, it would be advisable to sell or start getting out of the market, because it's the dangerous zone and we are too overextended. So this was market killer A. Now going into market killer B, like I said, go into indicators, go into invite only scripts, market killer B, and you just add it to the chart. And let's add market killer C too, and let's analyze the chart with it. Market killer B is a trend oscillator, and it serves as a complementary indicator to market killer A. This is the zone of action for market killer B. And right here we have the overextended zones, which are the overbought and the oversold. And these serve for you to know if the trend will continue or not, if it is too overextended or if it is not. Right here on this no trend zone, if we look at market killer B, we see that it is falling inside the zone of action. It didn't dip below it, so we should stay in the positions as it started moving up again, and it confirmed the bull trend again. Here we have the start of a bear trend, the previous no trend to the bear trend, and if you look at market killer B, we can see that we just shot straight through the zone of action, and when we got back into it, it was already a bear trend. So this was a pre-signaling of the bear trend, as you can see here on market killer B, and then market killer A followed up and said bear trend right here. So this was just the first confirmation, this was the second confirmation of the bear trend, and there we go, bear trend until August. And this is how market killer B works. It is quite useful when we don't know if the trend will continue or not. Right now we are below the price floor, so we have this big opportunity of buying and accumulating Bitcoin. We are shooting straight up into the zone of resistance. This is a short-term band of action. So as you can see, we are starting to post a no trend zone, which is grayed out, and market killer B is also posting a grayed out zone. Market killer C is already preparing and giving entries into a long trade. This is a market killer C. It is a position risk size calculator. Here you can input how much you want to risk per trade and what is your initial capital in US dollars or BTC. You press OK, and it will give you the entry price, which is the price that we are right now, the stop loss price, the position size that you should take, the risk amount that you are using, and the loss amount if your stop loss gets hit. Market killer A right now is posting out a no trend zone, which could turn into a bull trend. Here we have our take profits from the bear trend. The green dots are the take profit. Here we had the market cycle bottom signal. The zone of action is grayed out right now because price is shooting straight through the zone of action. These blue dots were the stop loss for the shorts. So when these blue dots get taken over by the price and some other conditions, it could flip into a bull trend. So this is it, guys. Market killer suite. Market killer A, market killer B, and market killer C. I hope that you find it useful. And if you want to get access to these indicators, just go to the website that's in the description. Right now we are having launching sale prices. You can pay it with Bitcoin Pay. And to get access after sending the transaction, you just need to send us an email into support@marketkiller.club. And in that email, you should include, like it says here, your TradingView ID and your Discord ID, and also a link to the transaction so that we can verify that it was confirmed and give you access. And then on TradingView, as shown on the video, you open the indicators window and you choose invite only script. This is it, Market Killer Suite. I hope you liked it, and if you have any doubts, just send us an email, and the Crypto Wave will be back with new videos just covering the market using Market Killer Suite and showing you guys and teaching you guys how to use it. And see you soon on the next episode of the Crypto Wave.